Welcome to Tally Help videos. This video will teach you how to set up bank reconciliation in Tally Prime. If you are doing reconciliation for the first time, configure your bank ledger with the reconciliation beginning date and opening BRS before reconciling. The default reconciliation beginning date is the first day of the current financial year, but you can change it to your preferred date. Transactions that remain unreconciled before the reconciliation beginning date will not be included in the bank reconciliation reports until you add them. Let's see how you can set the reconciliation beginning date. From Gateway of Tally, Alter Master, Ledger, Bank Ledger. In the Ledger Alteration screen, enable Set Alter Bank Configuration. In the Bank Configuration screen, set the reconciliation beginning date. After setting the reconciliation beginning date, add the unreconciled transactions from before that date in the opening BRS report. Now, let's see how you can set the opening BRS. In the Bank Configuration screen, enable Set Alter Opening BRS. On the opening BRS screen, press Alt-L to update the opening BRS. Add the unreconciled transactions and press Ctrl-A to accept the screen. Alternatively, you can set the opening BRS from the Banking Activities report. After adding the unreconciled transactions in the opening BRS, you can view them in the Bank Reconciliation report to reconcile. If you split a company, the unreconciled transactions in Books and Bank will automatically appear as an opening BRS in the second child company. It is recommended to import your bank statement for a period before splitting the company data so that unreconciled bank transactions appear in the opening BRS. You can now import your bank statement for the period and reconcile your transactions. Using connected banking services, you can fetch a bank statement directly from Tally Prime. To know more, view the video on Get Bank Statement into Tally Prime. The link is in the description box. If connected banking is not available for your bank, then you can also import the statement. If you are an existing user doing manual reconciliation and want to switch to auto reconciliation, you should import the bank statement for the period with unreconciled transactions. Press Alt-O and select Bank Statement. In the Import Bank Statement screen, select the bank ledger. Specify the file path and select file type as supported. Select the file to import. Set Show Preview as Yes. Press Ctrl-A to accept the screen. In the Bank Statement Preview screen, press I to import the bank statement. You can see the total number of entries imported and exact matches in the Summary of Imported Statement. Press S to directly go to Bank Reconciliation Summary and reconcile the book and bank transactions. Alternatively, you can press Escape to reconcile the transactions later. If you encounter any issues with the format of the bank statement after importing it, please reach out to Tally Care and we will assist you in configuring it. Let us now see how to view the reports before you reconcile your transactions. Press Alt-G, type or select Banking Activities. Alternatively, Gateway of Tally, Banking Activities. The Banking Activities report provides the count of unreconciled transactions in your books and bank records. Alternatively, if you want to view your unreconciled deposits and withdrawals, press Ctrl-H and select Deposits and Withdrawals Unreconciled. If you want to view the total amount of the unreconciled transactions, press F5. To view the Bank Reconciliation Summary, drill down from the Bank Reconciliation column. In the Bank Reconciliation Summary, you can view balance as per company books, balance as per bank statement, as well as the transactions under available only in books and available only in bank sections, along with the count and amount of withdrawals and deposits. If you have e-payments enabled for your bank ledger, you will be able to see unreconciled e-payments pending for sending to bank and unreconciled e-payments sent to bank. To view the list of all unreconciled transactions, drill down from the relevant unreconciled transactions. In the bank reconciliation report, you can see the book and bank transactions that are pending to be reconciled. You can now reconcile your book and bank transactions. To know more, view the video on how to reconcile book transactions with bank transactions in TallyPrime. The link is in the description box. As you saw, you can easily set your reconciliation date along with your opening BRS, import your bank statement, and view the reports before you start to reconcile your transactions. Thank you.